Good morning, guys. Good morning. I haven't even made it to my car yet. Oh my gosh. Guys, we are looking good, okay? Expect some pullback. Not financial advice, first of all. Anything I'm saying is not financial advice. Just giving my opinion, okay? Don't buy or hold any shares because of what I'm saying, okay? You make your own decision. Okay, guys, we're looking strong. But do expect some type of pullback because people are going to be selling, especially people that have been holding for so long. They're just waiting for a certain number to get to and they want to sell. Okay. Let me get in the car because it is very cold. I got my lucky cup. Told you guys I'm gonna keep drinking out of that, and it apparently it's working to some extent. Okay. Now I will say I'm going to turn on the heat and I want to check the temperature real quick. Turn on this heat. It is very cold here. Like I'm in the Midwest. The temperature, I'm going to show you guys real quick and then we're going to get back to it. We're at 47. So it is cold here. Okay. So yeah. So we had a nice run last week and some of the numbers that I was predicting, I said that we was going to hit. We hit it, like we nailed it, and I was very shocked that we nailed it. We're doing very good for the whole week. Look at this. Look at that. Let's look at the month. The month we're good. This number over here is 45. So we need to get back over there, which I personally think at some point in time we're going to head there. Okay. Let's see what the 3 month. The 3 month is on green. The year is on red. So okay, so we need to stay on track, stay focused. Now I did notice like last week the volume was like really low, like nothing was moving. I was trying to figure out what was going on, like especially like pre-market, it was so slow, but then it started ramping up. This morning the volume was like really coming in. It was coming in like it was, I mean, when I looked, it was already at 1 million. Then it went to 2 million, and like it's just steady moving. I don't know if any news came out. If you guys know if any news, let me know. But I don't want to get too excited because, you know, you get too excited and you think everything's doing good, and there's just going to be a pullback. So we're going to keep an eye on it and just go from there. Okay, we're at 28 right now. We did hit this. I think we did hit 30. We got real close to 30. Yeah, we got real close to 30. We probably did hit it and then probably bounce back down. So that already lets me know that it's testing at 30 again. The last time we was at 30 was over here somewhere. Yeah, it's testing this area right here. Okay, if we can get past this right here, this 33, I think we're going to be in the clear to move on up here to 34 and then probably a swing up to here. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to happen today, but I always felt like there was going to be a big buy-in and be a big move to the upside. I've always said it. I said it a couple of weeks ago, and I still think there's going to be like a large buy-in. It's just my opinion. It's just my opinion. It may not happen, but we will see. But I feel like today is going to be pretty good to some extent. At least I'm approaching my average cost, which is 30. Okay. Now I kind of been waiting on this because I had a strategy in mind because the way it moves, I want to average down like a lot. So if I feel like there's going to be a pullback at some point, I may take a loss and sell most of my shares, like a vast majority of my shares. And when it pulls back down, I may buy back in. I'm not saying for you guys to do that. But my strategy could change because I need to keep an eye on the market. But so far, it is very strong. It's doing good. But we will see. Okay. It could be a large slam down coming. I don't know. But we're doing good. All right, guys, I'm going to drink my coffee. And hopefully the market, or at least this stock, does pretty good today, in spite of what's going on throughout the world. Okay, because that stuff could affect the market. Okay, but that's it, guys. And I'm gonna tell you guys, there's another stock that I'm watching. Okay, There's another stock I'm watching. I'm not telling you to go buy it, but I do have my eye on it. I'm gonna show you, which is this stock right here. Okay, so I kind of heard something about it, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and I may swing trade this. I may just buy some shares, hold on to it for a little bit, and then sell it. Now I only bought 17. Okay, I always buy a small amount, very small amount of shares just to see how it moves. And plus it was at the same price when I previous bought TTOO. I bought in at 13 cents, and some of you guys know that I bought in at 13 cents, and I made a sell error and I ended up selling all my shares of TTOO at 13, which I was not trying to do. So I got back in at 13 over here, and I do have my eye on this. Okay, I do have my eye on it. So I bought 17 this morning, and it's up like 2%. But this is one I'm keeping my eye on. Okay, but we're gonna keep an eye on this also. Okay, this is the main focus, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get off here for a moment. I may go live for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys in the market. All right, guys, take care. Peace.